Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Spotify premium plan. To get started, go ahead and open up your Safari, or you can open up any web browser and search for spotify.com, and you'll be appear with the Spotify homepage. Make sure that you are logged into your Spotify account. In order to change your Spotify premium plan, you have to first subscribe to any Spotify premium plan. Then only you can change this Spotify premium plan. In order to do that, go ahead and tap on that gear icon. Now go ahead and tap on view account. Now go ahead and tap on manage your plan. And here, if you have subscribed to any premium, you can just change it. You can simply tap on join premium and select any premium that you want to take or you want to purchase. So that's all guys, this is the only working method. If you have subscribed to any premium for Spotify, then only you can change this Spotify premium plan. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.